Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to solve and fix if the go live button, if you don't see this button inside the bottom status bar of your VS Code, which lets you open a live development server to open your applications. So if the button is not showing, then you can install an extension for this. Go to the extensions tab and just search for here live server and just install this latest extension, which is this one, live server, and in bracket it is 5 server. This is the extension I'm talking about. So it's got almost 2 million downloads. So just install this, and as soon as you install this you will see this go live button will be there instantly, and now you can open your source code very easily using this shortcut key which is available in the bottom status bar. You simply click it and it will open this simple HTTP development server instantly. So if the button is not showing, you can stop this server now as well. Toggle this. You can start and stop. So this will save you a lot of time. So just install this extension, live server 5 server. This is the name of the extension. Simply install this. So if you want to uninstall this, once again the go live button will not be seen here. You will see that. So for this to work, you need to install this extension, and as soon as you do this you will see the go live button will be again back. So in this way you can fix this problem. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.